Aye, below the pressure. The pressure. Solo was a tesha. Satesha. Omuyelo muyo pilelu bomiba. Yegela abanye olandela amaphupho wako. Below the pressure.
Shanana, Sema Kids, Uleke, Sema Mutano.
Yo, you know what it is, man. What's up, like in the building? This is Beyond Business, episode 3, man. Sponsored by Bayloads. Still the legend. Goed man, ja?
But you're right.
Good, I'm cool, good.
Right, man. Sure.
Yeah, can you tell us about the Safa Kids NPO?
Okay, so Mokala igama lami mna Muchuma,
Sure.
and I'm the surfing manager and the administrator up at the Surfer Kids non-profit.
Sure.
So basically, Surfer Kids it's a non-profit that takes abantwana from Ekasi and teaches them long-term commitment and discipline through surfing. So it's basically taking kids from disenfranchised communities. We teach them skating as soon as they get to age of 15, 16. So life saving, skill. So it's basically keep and positive. That's good for them. Get them out of ilokish, out of the trouble. Just keep them busy with something positive.
Like now, if I have a kid now, I would love for him to join. What do I do as a parent?
Okay, so up and at the moment, nabantwana by 62.
Sure.
All of them basuka elokishini. About 25% abantwana ngamantombazana. Actually, 30% ngamantombazana.
Let's go.
So we're trying to
Shout out
push
to the ladies, man.
both abafana namalady, you understand? And then if ufuna ukufaka umntana wakho apha, all you have to do is visit the centers umzali. So we've got 2 centers, one lapha eDias, then sinayo in a center eselokishini eTyoks. So you just come with your child. If in Ntombazana, they have to be 12 years and under. If in Ngumfana, they have to be 10 years and under. All the other kids abakoyo apha who are a bit older, baqala apha bengabantwana. So much so that abanye babo are fully employed by the organization namhlanje as well.
Excellent. I see skateboard, young. You know, the skateboard is famous because of the guy who moved from Uganda to Cape Town.
Okay, yeah, I saw that.
So, like, what's the story between these two?
Okay,
Skateboarding and surfing.
so it's a thing that skateboarding have always been intertwined for the longest of time. Because it all goes back to board riding. The only difference is with the boards, it's Semanzini with the skateboards.
Yeah,
We're on the skateboard as well. And then we were also fortunate a couple of years ago to be able to get some funding to build a skateboard, which you see outside.
Sure.
So was born in light, so they go hand in hand as skating will influence, your surfing will influence your skating, depending bangephi or ongcono kuyo yabo.
Exactly.
Otherwise they go hand in hand. And the nice thing is that surfing is so weather dependent. So it's not every day ukwazi ufika elwandle amanzi right for ungene emanzini. And in those days whereby asikwazi ungena emanzini, at least you've got the bowl, which is you can use as long as it's not raining, you can use it all the time.
But then, like South Africa, I mean, we love colors, all this stuff. But then, like for black kids, like, wasn't it hard, like to get involved in this, and then especially like surfing, bro?
Yeah, xa ucinga la way, like if you look back, for abantu abamnyama, we've been disenfranchised for a lot of things.
Sure.
There was a stage whereby sasingavumelekanga nofika sihambe selwandle.
Yeah, that's true.
Abazali bethu, they never had that opportunity.
Sure.
But now amaxesha atshintshile ngoku. Sinayo access to elwandle.
Sure.
And the nice thing is that iTyoks is so close to the beach. It's such a prime location to run the organization efana nalena. Like as we speak now, abantwana bathe chu ngenyawo, they're on the way to the beach.
Excellent.
Whereas, for the longest of time, kids could not do that.
Yeah.
Understand that way. So amaxesha atshintshile, I mean, it's about time, we trying to occupy your space now way. Just get busy,
Yeah, we have to. Okay, let's talk about like our company, Payloads, man.
Yeah.
How is it been helpful? And then if other people also want to sponsor, what they can do.
So obviously, when you run a non-profit efana nalena or working for a non-profit efana nalena, a lot depends on the amount of funding you can get, you know.
Sure,
It's what
sure.
allows, you know, it's what keeps the lights on, you know, it's what pays the rent, you know. Abantwana bayakwazi ufika bafumane ukutya, you know. You can get kids surfboards, you know. Everything you see here, you know, is through the generous hands of other people. You understand? So for Bay Loans, you know, to so consistently over time, you know, to help us donate to the project, you know, every little bit that they give us, you know, it goes a long way in
Excellent.
ensuring that, you know, we are able to keep this operation running, you know, and help the kids. So we appreciate that for sure.
Yeah, yeah. You know what we're doing here, it's beyond the business, you know.
Yeah.
We like enforcing our people to understand it's not just about the product. It's about what the business do also, like
Yeah.
when it closes.
Yeah.
So which means we need to support businesses that support fake, you know.
For sure.
Yeah, we stop just supporting for the sake of supporting,
Yeah,
man.
yeah, for
Yeah,
sure.
yeah. So how long like this been around, and what are achievement like that you guys have
So
acquired?
so Suffolk started 2010 in
Sure,
Prague,
sure.
Fremezijn, by Herman Verveer and his wife Jenny Zavaleva, you know. So bafika ne-idea yokuqonda ubana, you know what, silapha eClaim Prague, khintwana esikhoyo elokishini azenzi nix, let's see if we can do something about lo way. You
Sure,
know, so they
sure.
would take the kids to the beach for surfing. But the only disadvantage was that ulwandle belukude kubo, yabo, so it would only happen once a week or twice a week on the weekend, yabo.
Sure, sure.
And it wasn't a very sustainable situation, yabo. So that's when 2010 they decided to make the move to Etias Beach and start recruiting kids from Ekioks because it's so close to the beach, you know, it's
Sure,
so
sure.
much easier to do it, yabo. And so yeah, then we ended up at DS Beach. It was only a few kids, but over time, Banwana, you know, word got out, kids got more interested, and I'm just slappa kwilinani esinalo ngoku, yeah.
Say, I respect it. Show me this. Like, what's happening here?
Oh, apha. Also, apha, you know, like through the year, intwana zethu, we divide them into groups, you know. So you've got all the kids that we call the Sharks. Those are the ones who know travel the country
Sure,
and
sure.
compete. And, you know, we always just try to put it in their face for them to see where they're standing, you know, in the country. So as you can see, Ave, you know, he's under 12. He's currently ranked 4th in the country.
In the country, that
Yeah,
like
yeah.
South Africa.
Yeah, he's ranked 4th in the country.
Yeah, that's big
Yeah,
from
the,
Bosselville, yeah.
the Mitab was currently ranked 8th. You know, and then you've got Inam Alfonso Azo, you know, 14th, 15th, and 18th in the under 16s. You know, so you know the boys are doing a good job.
Yeah, they compete with white kids, though. Or
Yes, predominantly, for sure. Sharp kids.
Espada,
Most
Aye, below pressure, pressure, solo was a tesha, satesha, omuye no muyo, pilelu bomiba, yegela abanye, ulandela amapupo,
yo, back again, man. Feeling the legend. I'm Khudwan.
Leka.
Hey, good.
Good. How are you?
Yeah. What's your name, Khudwan?
My name is Akona Mabuto from Choslovo.
Yeah, what do you do here, Khudwan?
Okay, I'm a lifeguard. I'm doing safety officer in the water.
Sure.
Yeah. So I also teach them to become lifeguards when they are 16.
Sure.
So when they are 16, from our program, we move them to Tibaka for life-saving lessons.
Sure. But then, how did you learn like how to swim, and then how do you become part of this?
Okay, I started life-saving in 2006 while I was still in high school.
Sure.
Yeah. So then I got friends like Kuma, Lutando, who came here first before me. Then in 2001, Lutando was already working here.
Sure.
Then he asked us if we don't want to come and work here during the year, the full year, because they needed lifeguards. So I chose this site.
Okay, how has it been helpful, like you being part of the team?
Yeah, it's been helpful a lot because from life-saving, I didn't carry on with life-saving when I came this site. I only changed to a triathlete,
Sure.
which they were paying everything for me,
Yeah, yeah.
and they are still paying it for me.
Oh,
I did my first Ironman in 2004. Then I never stopped.
yeah. How is the training like to prepare yourself for a competition like that, right?
Yeah, I have to be mentally fit,
Yeah,
physical fit also.
yeah, yeah,
Because if you are coming from the location, it's not easy for you to do such things
yeah,
like
yeah.
sport-wise. So you have to be on your level where you can say stop.
Sure, sure,
Like
sure.
like drinking, I was heavy on drinking. But
Yeah,
when I started here, there were regulations which I have to follow. So I follow all the regulations.
sure, sure,
Even smoking, I have to stop smoking now. I-
sure, sure,
I'm
sure,
I'm I'm on that journey now
sure,
for
sure, sure.
becoming a pro athlete.
Bro,
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
fair,
yeah.
man. Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah, that's fair. Well, can you show us around, man? What do you guys have and what you guys do?
Okay,
Okay, let's start this side.
start this side.
Okay, I see Bitcoin here. Like, what's the story? Like, the relationship with you guys and Bitcoin?
Okay, Bitcoin is combined with the Safer Kids.
Yeah.
Yeah, because here is only surfing related. There at Ekasi, it's Bitcoin Education Center.
Oh,
So it all started here with the surfing.
okay, okay, cool. Yeah, I see
Yeah.
some points
Yes,
also.
our kitchen. Yeah, I'm preparing food now for the kids.
So, who's the chef?
I start. Then Basa will come back. We have a pasta today and a soup.
Oh,
That's
oh,
from Lunchbox, who is sponsoring us every month with meal,
sure, sure,
with soup, papa,
sure.
rice, and pasta.
Excellent. So, if another company also want to sponsor, what they can do?
They can go to our email
Yeah,
or in our Facebook page, the Safer Kids.
sure, sure,
Yeah, you
sure.
will find them there.
Oh, yeah, sure. It's about things, right?
This, or the way they went to JB, there is the group who went to JB.
Okay.
You can say that's our top surfers. Yeah, that's our top surfers.
Yeah, that. But then how it's like in this competition when there's like white kids around and then like don't the boys from the location like lose a little bit of confidence or like you guys work on that also.
Yeah, when they start, there was that they didn't have that confident,
Yeah,
competition minded.
sure, sure.
But our organization also did start to organize small competitions here in Mosul Bay.
Yeah,
In
yeah,
Point, we started here in Diaz, then we
sure.
shifted to Point where most competitions are on the points. Like in JB, they're all doing the point.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
So that's where they gain their confidence, even in with the white kids.
yeah.
They can see themselves as pro surfers now.
Yeah, that's so
Yeah.
yeah. Okay, show us yeah. With the skateboard, where do you guys like get all these skateboards? Oh,
Yeah, some skateboards are sponsors, some are old, but some of them I build them myself.
oh, you also do it.
Yeah,
Hey, talented. Yeah.
yeah, I do repairs. Here's the start of a boat
Okay, okay.
with our sticker, the Bitcoin Ekasi.
Gosh, I love
Yeah,
that. I love that.
so I do mostly maintenance, like fixing the area,
Yeah, yeah.
what's need to be fixed. Yeah, our surfboards.
Yeah. About surfboards, what do you guys like? Do you also buy them or are they also sponsors?
Yeah, here is this one were bought by on Newton. Newton.
Oh, yeah,
From
yeah.
Son. He's the one who he's a local guy who's doing surfboards from scratch. He's building the surfboards. Then luckily we got these ones. These are the new ones. That's a Smith shape board.
Oh,
This is a competitive board.
oh, this one's for competition.
Yes, 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 yes.
What's the difference? I'm seeing the same thing.
Hey, I'm not sure because I'm not a surfer, but Tuma can explain that.
Oh,
What's the
okay,
difference in
okay,
the
cool.
boards? Yeah. So then on this side we have the soft tops. This one are for the starters.
Oh, when you start here.
Yeah, but you have to start with the swim first. I learn them to swim.
Must know how to
You
swim.
must know, we must be comfortable in the water. We give you maybe 2 to 3 months
Yeah.
for you to be comfortable in the water. If you see you're comfortable, then we hold you on the
Yo, and we did a lot of those because we've been losing a lot of the kids, man, in this whole shit.
debugger,
Yeah.
especially here in DS also.
Yeah.
Some kids come from Kwa walking down,
Yeah.
then they will just went to the ocean without any adult.
Yeah. And we need a pool too, man.
Yeah. No, bruh, if you can get that, we've been.
Yeah.
Since I started life saving, that was our priority in JCC to get a swimming pool.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, we haven't got
No time, man. You made Black Sheep Network, everything is gonna happen.
like.
Yeah. So first aid.
Yeah,
Yeah,
first aid.
what's happening this side?
No, this is not our side. It's a running club.
Okay.
Then we have our wetsuits here.
Oh, this one is for swimming.
Yeah, this one is for swimming and for surfing.
Oh.
So you have to pack them, rinse them off after a session. Yeah.
Oh, these are nice.
So
Yeah, let's see this beautiful thing, bro.
here is our skating bowl.
The biggest. Yo, bro, this is wonderful, bro.
Yeah, this is one of the best skate bowl in,
Best
in Mossel Bay. I can
Mossel
say.
Bay.
Maybe in South Africa, you never know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So these kids are the ones that surf here.
Yeah, Litabo. Litabo is one of our skaters also.
Which one?
This one.
Litabo.
Kauleza boy.
Zabada. Oh, he's the one who's still.
Nah, he's not here, the small one.
So who's the Ronaldo or the Messi?
Where's our Messi? Tekan. Tekan. Tekan, ba?
Yeah, he's the Ronaldo.
Yeah, he's our Ronaldo. He can do everything. Yeah,
We love Ronaldo, man.
can repeat. Yeah, and maybe.
Yeah, this is gonna be interesting. It will be the first time also for me, like to see people do
Some skating tricks, yeah.
Yeah. And I love the fact that it's kids from the location.
From the location, it's just a struggle, my bro.
But then how do you guys get them, like from their parents and everything?
Okay, firstly we meet them maybe with their friends, like these two boys.
Yeah.
This one will ask, "How did you go in there?" And they will send him to me. Then I'll give him a form.
Sure.
Or give your parent a form. Must sign.
Sure.
Must give you a birth certificate.
Sure.
Then at the end of the month, we go around with all the parents just to check in if the kid is still good at home, behaving. I will see at school also, because we need them to pass their matric.
Bro, we need more of you guys, dog. Need more of you guys.
We're trying to push them, Lisa, bro. Here is our Ronaldo.
Yeah, that's the Ronaldo.
Yeah, but you have big hair now. I don't know where you're cut.
It's good, man. Crow that.
He'll be one of the pros
Soon.
soon.
Which position is he on now? Oh, he's still
And he haven't go to a competition now
okay.
of skating, but they do just local, like in Sesfield,
Yeah.
on the street jams.
Yeah. This is nice, man. This is nice.
Sometimes we struggle to get them.
I can imagine that.
Yeah.
I can imagine.
Because sometimes, they need something for them,
Yeah.
something to eat.
Yeah.
But that's our first priority. They must get something to eat. Like on Saturdays, when they come in the Saturdays, we make them a pap, a porridge,
Yeah.
before they can go to the water. While they're in the water, someone is cooking for them inside. After the session, they will come and get a warm meal.
Oh, that's nice. Or the shoes, like, or do they just wear their own sneakers?
No, we get some sponsors also from the shoes. Andres is also organizing now for them.
Yeah.
Because the last time we had a bunch of shoes, but they used them up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need to get vans, man. Vans, sponsor.
Yeah. Yes, our main man.
Yeah.
Show them Alfonso.
Aye, below the pressure, the pressure, solo was a tesha, satesha, omuyelo muyo, pilelu bomiba, yegela banyo, landela mapupo, below the pressure, the pressure, solo was a tesha, satesha, omuyelo muyo, pilelu bomiba, yegela banyo, landela mapupo, below the pressure, the pressure, solo was a tesha, satesha, asikule gazi, asibona
He's the oldest. What's up, boss?
Good. Yeah, good.
Yeah, what's your name?
My name is Alfonso.
Yeah, where do you stay?
They're Mossad Bay and the Jocks.
How long have you been part of this?
Like I started in 2018.
Yeah.
Uh,
How's the journey been like?
yeah. Like I was going to school. Then I leave school. Then my dad bring me back to the school, and if also leave the Seva kids. Then I come back in 2023. Yeah, and I'm gonna be staying here now.
What was the problem? Like, how do you find, like, in terms of making you, like, growing you as a kid, man, like, being here?
That's it, cause
Yeah. Feel free.
ngoba ndimncinci xa utata like ebenesigulo yena
Yeah.
xa ngokubone xa ngoosisi bayi-3 mos bayikhaya abantwana xa kutata wam ngamajita. So ngoku like befuna usebenzela utata wam qha ngoku bengo-2020 xa ndazi like kodwa wasweleka kodwa ngo-2022
Exactly. That's just cool.
xa ngoku kube siza apha like every day ngoku like apha bayasinceda apha like basibuza yonke into esiyifunayo like sayifumana apha.
Sure. Yeah. Which one do you love? This one or surfing?
The most surfing.
What do you
Because-
care, bro? Like,
Yes, I know, but the surfing when I go lot of things now, I'm gonna do lot of things now.
yeah. I respect your start, dog.
Yeah.
Your start.
below the pressure, the pressure, solo was a tesha, satesha, omuyelo muyo, pilelu bomiba, yegela banyo, landela mapupo, below the pressure, the pressure,
Yeah, we here with the youngest, yo. We're one of them, right? John. Welcome along. Eh? Belokus. Oh, I don't need to die over one up. Eh? Tado skate. Bugatti bonnet. Student. Oh, kau jalan for my door. Oh, for back this. Oh, okay. Ciao, Papa Yusuf. Back again here with the big guy, yo. The big man.
Yeah.
How are you feeling today?
Always well, eh?
Yeah.
Always well.
Thank you for welcoming us here. Yeah, can you tell them what's your name and what role do you play here?
Yeah, I'm Andries. I'm a trustee from the organization. I'm also the head surf instructor here by the surfer kids.
Yeah. How did it like start about, and then how is it like so far?
Yeah, it's awesome story. In 2015, I know Herman that started. Him and his wife Jenna started it back in 2010 from Frimersheim.
Yeah.
And it was on a weekly basis, one on Saturday. I started Surfs Up Surf School down the beach. They approached me, and we were friends before,
Yeah.
to start, how do I feel about helping on a daily basis with kids
Yeah.
from Machoks. And I committed, and here we are.
Yeah, but then like what I wanna know, why did you guys choose to look for kids like from disadvantaged backgrounds?
Um, there was a need for it, number one, and we wanted to give opportunity. Machoks being so close to us, eh?
Yeah,
It's working because it's walking distance.
yeah,
So we can bring them down here every day. And if you pursue that on a 5-day period, you're going to actually achieve something.
yeah,
As continuity. Back in the day also, there was lots of transformation in sport that we had to do. And this just fitted everything in transformation, uplifting, empowering,
yeah.
just community work, giving back, paying it forward.
I just wanna say thank you, like
Thank you.
for giving them a chance. Man. Because
Lekker.
I just told my friend, but I can't even stand on the skateboard.
Now you must
to
come.
watch what they do. It's really like, and then I wanna know, like when they go into competition, how do you deal with the confidence, like for them?
Okay, what we've done, the skating, we've had 2 skating bowl competitions.
Yeah,
Our biggest activity, our actual activity is surfing.
yeah,
And we got 4 teams. We got the Turtles, which is the entry-level surfers, the small Quadins and Intombis, the small ones.
Okay.
Then we got as you advance, you become a seal, then you become a dolphin, and then you become a competitor at the Sharks.
Yeah.
And once you're at the Sharks, you compete with the Surfer Kids Surf Series that we've introduced in 2025. We're exposing our kids to different surfing breaks, locations, different competitors, and that builds the confidence of the surfer. We're also in a position, and we've been grateful to get some nice donations to get better quiver equipment.
Yeah.
It also plays a big part of a guy's performance to also have the best quiver he possibly can.
Yeah.
So we're in a very strong position at the moment, and the results are showing. But long way forward, exciting times. Yeah, exciting times forward. And why everything is exciting and why it's working is because we Jonga Pambile and we Hamba Gotando.
Tobacco and shit, man.
Daka, Chanana.
What I want to know is the relationship then of our company, like that we work for Payloads and you guys, and what other companies they can do if they want to sponsor.
Yes, but they can get hold of us on our social media web pages,
Yeah.
our emails, our websites. They can actually pop around to Diaz Beach, come see firsthand what we do, what the kids are doing, how they're performing.
Yeah.
It's also the kids that come from disadvantaged communities. A big need there is also food. It's not a food program, but we provide a lunch here for them. After this, what we see here, you're quite hungry after a surf and skating and thirsty. So we provide them a plate of food as well. That is generously donated by us, by the Lunchbox Fund. We also want to thank them for the opportunity of feeding the kids, give them a plate of food on a daily basis,
That's nice. That's nice.
Yeah.
Respect.
Thank you very much for coming, eh? Thanks for coming.
Also welcoming us. So you say how many kids now do you have?
We got 67 kids in the program. 67. It's also close to exam time. Some of the kids has got extra classes at school because we encourage that.
Yeah.
Very important that they also prestige and do well at school.
Yeah.
Healthy body needs a healthy mind.
Yeah.
It works both ways. Yeah.
Okay, thanks a lot, man.
Thank you guys. All good, Shanana.
Below pressure, big pressure, solo was a tesha, satesha, omuye no muyo, pilelu bomi ba, yekela abanye ulandela amaphupho wakho ngoba mpilo i-pressure i-pressure soloko satesha satesha omunye nomunye uphilela ubomi bakhe yekela abanye ulandela amaphupho wakho ngoba mpilo i-pressure i-pressure soloko satesha satesha
Yeah, we've got Inam also coming, guys. This is the Sharks. This is the top surface of the Surfer Kids.
They went through the 5th spot, like starting from
They started entry level from the Turtles.
yeah,
Yeah,
and they climbed.
and they climbed. You see the difference in age too.
Yeah,
Your ability, your commitment. You got Ave, and you got one Quadine there that is maybe 14. Ave is 11, but he's a Shark in his age division.
That's what I wanted to ask. Like, how fast can a person move from starting to become a Shark? Like, is it years or
It's
just
years.
ability?
Yeah, it's years. It takes 2 to 3 years. 2 to 3 years on a push, you can become a Shark. Sometimes it takes 5 years. Mata's knocking on the door. There's one or things we're working on them.
Yeah,
But these guys here, they are competitors. We are surfing the South African Surf Series with them. Yes, Inam also. Under 16 division, under 14 division, under 12 division. We got Anati as well for trials. We're going to do the Eden trials. But these guys go on tour and we surf the circuit. And that is where, and it's taken us basically 15 years to get here.
yeah,
Because in 2026, we arrived at the Surfing South Africa Surf Tour for juniors in the country. All the top juniors in the country, all surfers.
yeah.
We are now competing there. We're on the playing field. We're playing.
Rome wasn't built in one day.
Yeah.
You know?
And it's,
who's the-
and it's Letabo that's lying fourth at the moment. No? It's
Yeah,
you lying fourth, no? Yeah.
But then who's the fastest who moved from starting point to become a Shark?
Inam.
Inam,
Inam, yeah.
how long did it
Inam, you 3 years, eh, Inam? 3 years, yeah.
take? That's commitment.
Inam,
Respect.
yeah. But these guys are all next level little surfers, so we'll definitely invite you
Yeah,
when we go to ding dangs and all the point surfing and that.
yeah.
But this is the Sharks. This is our top surface of the Surfer Kids that we tour South Africa coastline. So we need support. We need support.
Count us in.
Yeah, we need support. We need beanies and shirts. We need support, you know.
Yeah,
Food we are sorted and transport we are sorted. Yeah.
No, like part of the program we do, we call it Beyond Business, because we asking these businessmen, like, what are you doing for the community?
Yeah.
Because you can't just take.
Yeah, for us it will be nice. I'm busy with certain companies, difficult to get right now.
Yeah.
Is to when we go on tour and we in Cape Town, for instance, for 4 days. Be nice to have a bag, and there will be 2 board shorts, 3 t-shirts, a lekker hoodie top for the guys on tour. Looking smart, confidence, lekker.
And it's good advertising.
Yeah, good advertisement. So that's a shortage at the moment, but we are working on it. You know, we are knocking on doors.
Yeah, they will answer.
Yeah. So I'm
Black
also knocking here.
Black sheep,
Yeah.
They will. They're gonna answer. Gonna be good news.
Lekker.
But thanks a lot. I saw the youngest there also, the youngest girl.
Okay, good. Yeah.
I respect.
Respect.
Below pressure, pressure, solo was satesha, satesha, omuye no muyo, pilelu bomi ba, yegela ba. abanye ulandela amaphupho wakho ngoba impilo i-pressure i-pressure soloko satesha satesha omunye nomunye uphilela ubomi bakhe yekela abanye ulandela amaphupho wakho ngoba impilo i-pressure i-pressure soloko satesha satesha asikhule kanzima asibona silana size bethi indlala namanzi awange uma stesha lendlala you know everybody home badinga imali song kwamele nenze show mali khona for thina song I have to stay strong I am the only hope I need money over money let my bank increase sesakeda lendlala izophela khumbulana badala mabesitshela ati impilo i-pressure pressure tesha impilo i-pressure i-pressure soloko satesha satesha